Breaking news. National Assembly carpets Malami over self-interest in the electoral bill. Tells him you are not the president. Hello, my wonderful people. I don't know what National Assembly are waiting for to put Malami in his place. Now, the electoral bill has been amended and they've given it to Buhari to, uh, place his signature or ascertain on the document so that it can be passed into as a law regarding elections. But Malami came out and told Nigerians that Buhari will not sign it, that those who are working on this electoral bill are doing it for self-interest. And since then, the, National Assembly, I mean, things fall apart. I'm just waiting for when they'll begin to expose themselves. Okay? I'm just waiting for when they'll begin to expose themselves. How Malami, has, the National Assembly talking about the Senate and House of Representatives has told Malami to keep quiet, to shut up his mouth. Okay? He should shut up his mouth and let peace reign and let the president be president. Okay? And let the president be president. So this is what is happening. This is what is going on right now. This is what is going on. Malami has become the new kingpin, so to say. He has become the new person who determines what's going on and what happens. And to a large extent, people can no longer even, speak. He's one of the cabal who determine and who dictates what happened in the country. Let's get all the details. Electoral bill. National Assembly carpets Malami over self-interest in the nation. Tells him you are not the president. You don't determine what happened. Let the president be the president. Stop speaking for him. The Punch newspaper said the National Assembly on Thursday dismissed a threat by the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami's son, that he will oppose the Electoral Amended Act Amendment Bill if it is based on self-interest. The chairman of the Senate Committee on Media and Public Affairs, Senator Ajibola, specifically dismissed Malami as a political appointee, and he should mind his job and business and stop interfering in matters of affair of the nation. He is appointed as a minister of justice and not the president of the country. He has been delving into matters that have no concern of his. We are aware. We see all he's doing in the nation and how he's going into areas he shouldn't delve into and interfering in cases that has nothing to do with him. He should focus on his job description and deliver as he has been given opportunity to serve, and not to tell the National Assembly or the Senate what to do. We are aware of some of the things he has been doing recently, and we know very well how to deal with him. This is a note of caution and a warning to the minister who has sent threats to the National Assembly and all that Buhari will not sign the amended bill. Malami should desist and be careful, or he will meet what he has not envisaged for. The chairman, reacting to a recent interview granted to Malami, he said the chairman of the Senate Committee on Media and Publicity, Senator Ajibola, specifically dismissed Malami as a political appointee who should mind the face of his business and nothing more. Who could speak? He does not have the decision to speak for the president, Major Muhammadu Buhari, on institutional matters like the bill. He should focus his attention on where he has been appointed. Ajimobi was reacting to a recent statement said by Malami, who was granted interview, in which the minister said Buhari will not assent on the working bill if he sees anything called selfishness. So this is what is happening. The House of Representatives, the Senate, everybody has spoken and has said what happened is unheard of, is unimaginable, and Malami has no rights. Okay, no right whatsoever to be delving or speaking into matters of national issues and concern. He is an appointee who was, I mean, you are speaking of Malami. Malami is still still the Minister of Justice. Malami has gone very far. He's still high up there, so he can speak and spoke if you want to say that. Malami can say whatever he wants to say. Malami is also good. He's very good. When you compare to Garuba Shehu and Femi Adesina, do you know who they are? I'll explain to you. Now you are a CEO. You are a CEO, you have a lot of business entourage, you have a lot of things to do. Your hands are full. Guess what you did? To make matters easy for you, you have an administrator, you have your secretary, you have your manager managing the engineering department, manager in charge of specific areas and all that. All of a sudden they become the CEO. People come to the office and the secretary will say, no, you cannot do this. That's what Garuba Shehu, Femi Adesina are doing to the nation. Oh, you are not aware? That's their job description now. These are supposed to be assistants. Let the CEO know what he should know so that appropriate actions can be taken. But no, they take it upon themselves. They become the Lord. Tell you when you can and you cannot. In fact, if you don't cross them, you don't go anywhere. That's what Malami and the rest of them has become. So you guys are shocked. Are you just realizing because it has come to your table? That's what he has always done. I'm surprised you guys are shocked. He have releasing a statement asking him to face, the crux of where he has been appointed to and stay within his area. I'm surprised you guys are saying that. It's still early hours of the morning. You don't understand. I thought you guys have condoled this menace and this mess for quite some time now. How come you guys are suddenly reacting? This is not the first time Malami is going in this tangent. This is not the first time. He's going above the Senate and is deciding what goes on in the nation. Everybody has been quiet towards him. When you have a child and the child is growing up, raising children, you see, first of all, your baby as it's growing will one day, is playing. It doesn't know right from wrong. Honestly speaking, it's just a child. He's testing the waters. We'll take their hand and we'll slap you. Pa! We say, stop it. Junior, princess, stop it. The baby will think you are laughing. And say, stop it. You have to let the baby know. You take a doll and you show the doll using the hand to come on your face, and you show the baby what will happen to the doll. You're not going to do to the baby. You show the baby. Guess what? You've just corrected the child. The child will say, so if I slap, this is the resultant. If I look at what the doll did, you think they are not intelligent. You are the one who thought to. So they are very intelligent. Don't take them for a ride. Don't take them for a fool. Very intelligent. Very, very. Okay? So, my dear, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.